Hello, this is Cherie for Just Nailed It, and welcome to SheModern Saturday. Today I'm going to attempt, that's the key word is attempt, to do rose quartz nails. I got this beautiful, beautiful pink polish. It's by iGel Beauty. It's number 22, called Wedding Cake. So, I did 2 nails already. This nail I did here with SheModern's opaque white watercolor polish. This nail here was done with gel. I don't like the one with the gel. It's too thick. These I feel are too faint. I tried it with blooming gel. And look how thick they are. I'm not liking it at all. This is my said practice nail of what's going to be the ring finger. So this is what I'm going to try to go for. I've got my white opaque watercolor polish. I'm going to shake it up. I don't think I need that anymore. I'm going to be using my ombre brush for this. I've seen some on Instagram do this. I cannot remember who, or I would give credit where credit is due. But I don't know who it was. I have no idea. No idea. So I'm going to hopefully be in frame. I'm going to lightly use the tip of the brush. And I am so heavy-handed that I'm just trying, like, you know what, not to be. I need more. I need more. So these are watercolor polishes, which means they need to air dry. So, well, that's way too much. Way too much. Holy cow, Batman. I could do the whole nail and probably more of another one with that. That's way too much. Talk about wasting it. Oh, I bet you I'm out of frame, aren't I? I'm terribly sorry. I'm trying to do this, and this nail's gonna have a lot of lines in it. I imagine that's alright. I don't know about this nail now. Looks like a spider shot its web. Holy cow, that looks a mess. Trial and error. Trial and error. I do not cut out my errors, my boo-boos. Because how am I going to learn? How you learn? So I'm going to wipe off my brush with the, excuse me, a lint-free wipe. Just to get the buildup of the white opaque smoke out of my nail. Listen to me, out of my brush. trying to do them really thin and it's not working out so slow. And I tried the blooming gel with stuff and that didn't work out very well either. So here's what we got. This is not turning out how I anticipated. I don't know if this is the correct method for rose quartz nails. So I expect some comments down below saying yay, nay, no, this is how you should like that video. Let me know if this is the correct way. Was I supposed to use the blooming gel and try for thinner lines? Top coat thinner lines? I'm not really sure. I don't know. I mean, I assume they went with the gel, but the gel like this one, I couldn't get the thinner lines. Love this one, but none of them turned out like that. None of them. This will be the nail I'm stamping on. I'm going to use the plate that I got at the Dollar Tree. And I'm going to take this single rose right here and put on it. But like I said, I have to wait for this to dry. So on that note, we shall return. Alright, we're back. The nails are dry. And for the record, I don't like this nail. It's too fat right in here. It's too thick. There was too much polish there on it. I'm not a fan. Just for the record. So I'm going to stamp in opaque red, opaque red and opaque green stamping polish by SheModern. Go check out their catalog, SheModern.com. Go check out their catalog for all your stamping polish needs. They've got watercolors, they've got pixie glitters and pigments and colored glue gel, I think it is. And then they have the glitter jelly, which I want to get those. So I'm going to scrape sideways. I've got my jelly reinforced stamper by SheModern. And we have got a beautiful pickup. So I'm going to use my card. I'm going to take off the excess that I do not want on the nail. I should put it on the middle finger just to cover up that blob. And there we go. I got the stuff all over me. All over me. But here's our nail. I think that looks pretty good there on that one. So now we're going to top coat and add, I think, a bling on the index finger. Sorry about that. Putting my stuff away. No time like the present. So I'm looking for my new top coat. I don't see it. I don't see it. Shoot. Okay, so we're going to go in here with iGel Beauty's No Cleanse Top Coat. Float her over the image. No fuss, no muss. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. I just love that saying. I heard it at the hospital when my mom was in earlier last year. Love this nail here. But it looks so delicate that I don't know if you can see it. This one, the index finger. Just don't know. Alright, there we go. Let's get a bling. Just Just one. That's it. Pop her in the lamp. I'm only giving her a 30-second cure. Alright, here we are. We are back and fresh out of the lamp. I think this manicure looks pretty good except for this nail here. A little thick there, but not like over here. I know I'm being a little bit hard on myself, but we are our own worst critic. But yeah, that's the only one I really don't like. The rest of them I can live with. Well, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of my rose quartz nails for today. My rose with the sticky stamping polish. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell. That way you get notified of all future videos. Anything important that may come across my desk. Have yourselves a blessed day and thank you.